thing about the markets, like look at these beautiful trees. We're in plenty of shade, gorgeous weather, and you can just wander around and try lots of food and sample lots of great things.
3 ideas: make it, bake it, eat it, grow it, feed it, coffee, food. We love being here.
The thing I love most about this market is it's right in the centre of town. It's a beautiful location.
We just walked across the river from the caravan park. The market's got so many different stalls. There's something from everyone. It's great.
I like the variety that's here. You never know what you're going to find.
It's great to see so many local makers and producers, and it's a good showcase of what the region has to offer.
It's easy to get to. There's a playground close by for the kids and lots of really nice food.
The thing I love about the market is that we can bring our dog Pierre and there is loads to see.
It's very popular all year round regardless of the weather.
It's always busy. In the winter we move to this car park area.
Well, it's a great place to catch up with friends. There's good coffee, great food.
People who come to Bright are generally on holiday, so it's such a great vibe down here at the market.